Meaning of grizzle.
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 Grizzle. The word grizzle can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One possible meaning is to make a sound like a growl or a whine, often used to describe the sound made by a young animal. It can also mean to complain or grumble persistently about something, usually in a low voice. Alternatively, grizzle can describe hair that is gray or mixed with gray, especially when referring to a person's hair. Overall, the word grizzle refers to a sound, behavior, or physical descriptor that is typically associated with negativity or aging.